TeenyWeeny. Hey kids! Welcome to story time. Let us see a story about Chicken Licken. The sky is falling. Once upon a time there was little chicken called Chicken Licken, living in a farm, along with other farm animals. Chicken Licken was afraid of everything. One day Chicken Licken went to the forest, and stood still near an oak tree. A little acorn fell from a tree and on Chicken Licken's head. The acorn was unnoticed by Chicken Licken. He raised his eyes to the azure sky. He thought the sky is falling, and started to shout,
"The sky is falling! Run, run!"
and started to run to alert the king. It started to run back to farm to alert everyone and alert the king. Chicken Licken screamed and ran across the farm. Penny, who was sitting near the hen house, saw Chicken running, and asked,
"What is the matter?"
"The sky is falling."
"Oh no."
Penny was shocked and asked,
"What will we do now?"
Chicken Licken said,
"I am going to alert the king."
"I will come with you."
Penny also joined Chicken Licken. They raced past the hen house and Cocky Locky was knocked out.
"Where are you going?"
"The sky is falling."
"Oh my god. What do we do now?"
"We're going to inform the king."
"Okay, I will join you."
They ran from the farmyard. They raced by the duck pond. Ducky Lucky was in the water. Ducky Lucky questioned,
"What is the matter?"
"The sky is falling."
"What do we do now?"
"We're going to inform the king."
Ducky Lucky said,
"I will come with you."
They ran over the bridge. They arrived at an old barn. Goosey Lucy had taken up residence in her nest. Goosey Lucy saw the birds rushing, and asked,
"What is the matter?"
"The sky is falling."
"What do we do now?" "We are going to tell the king."
Goosey Lucy said,
"I will come with you."
They all started to walk. They raced by the barn. They ran into the open field. The ground was being pecked at by Turkey Lurkey. Turkey Lurkey saw all birds in panic, and asked,
"What is the matter?"
"The sky is falling."
"Oh no. What do we do now?"
"We are going to tell the king."
Turkey Lurkey said.
"I'll come with you."
Turkey Lurkey also joined them. He raced across the field. They arrived in the forest, and met Foxy Loxy, soon after. Foxy Loxy inquired.
Hi all, where are you going?
The sky is falling. We are going to inform the king and alert him.
Ha ha ha, foolish birds, let's make a plan. I know a shortcut for King's place, you can come with me.
They believed him. All birds started to follow the fox. Foxy Loxy took the birds near a cave and asked them to go inside.
You all go inside the cave.
Henny Penny got suspicious and asked,
Is this where the king lives?
No, this is the place, where I am going to eat you all.
all birds were afraid.
Who will alert the king to the fact the sky is falling?
Stupid birds, it is impossible for the sky to fall.
An acorn landed on Foxy Loxy's head. It went unnoticed by Foxy Loxy. He could only see the sky. Foxy Loxy thought the sky is falling, and he ran away from there.
The sky is falling. The sky is falling.
The birds saw acorn falling in its head. All the birds turned towards Chicken Licken. And Chicken Licken said,
It might be just a acorn.
They all went back to the farm. Moral of the story: do not believe everything you are told. Bye bye. Please subscribe for more videos.
TeenyWeeny.